Today we're introducing a new benchmark in compact welding performance. This is the BlueVenom XF195 SiC, and it represents a major step forward in how portable multi-process welders perform. At the core of the XF195 is Silicon Carbide inverter technology. Silicon Carbide enables higher switching speeds, improved thermal performance, and significantly higher efficiency compared to traditional silicon-based inverters. The result is a smoother arc, less energy loss, longer component life, and serious performance in a compact, lightweight platform. The XF195 delivers up to 200 amps of output and is built as a true multi-process system. You have MIG, single and double pulse, HFDC TIG, TIG cold weld, and stick with pulse in a single machine. Single pulse MIG reduces spatter and distortion, while double pulse MIG creates TIG-like aesthetic finishes, particularly on thin materials and visible welds. TIG cold weld uses ultra-short, high current bursts to minimize your heat input, helping prevent burn through on delicate materials. For stick welding, pulse mode improves arc stability and weld consistency across a wide range of electrodes. In addition to standard 2T and 4T trigger modes, this unit includes 8T mode, which adds an additional welding current level. This allows for faster transitions between positions, ideal for jobs requiring horizontal and vertical work without stopping to reconfigure your settings. When it comes to arc control, this machine delivers. You've got fully adjustable hot start functionality, voltage, current percentage, arc length, and slope time, so you can really fine-tune how the arc initiates and transitions into your set welding current. That means better starts, better penetration control, and cleaner results. For double pulse applications, you can even adjust your base arc length, giving you more control over your bead profile and heat input during the pulse cycle. The all-new Super Pulse mode works like standard pulse mode, but adds a boost on the rising edges of each pulse. This dramatically improves low-frequency pulse performance, especially below 10 Hz, giving you better arc stability and bead consistency. Dynamic arc control is another standout feature. When activated, the machine automatically adjusts your output current based on arc voltage fluctuations. So as your arc length changes, the machine compensates to maintain that consistent heat input. You can even set how aggressively it reacts. For example, how many amps it adjusts per volt change. That level of control gives you next level fine-tuning capability. High frequency start allows you to initiate the TIG arc without touching the workpiece, ensuring cleaner starts and more precise welds. Another defining feature of the XF195 is synergic plate thickness welding across MIG, TIG, and stick modes. You select your material, wire type, and gas, and the machine automatically configures welding current, voltage, wire feed speed based on the plate thickness. It's designed to make setup faster, more consistent, and repeatable. This is all controlled through a 5-inch LCD touchscreen, and with 100 programmable memory slots, you can save and instantly recall your preferred welding programs. The BlueVenom XF195 SiC comes equipped with a 3-meter DGX 24 MIG gun with 4-button control, allowing quick parameter adjustments directly from the torch while you're welding. It's paired with a Dimix Elite 4-meter 17F FlexSet TIG torch featuring a trigger button and remote current control, giving you ergonomic handling and precise control straight out of the box. The XF195 features a 4-gear wire drive system with top and bottom feed rollers for smooth and consistent wire feeding, even when using softer aluminium wires. It's compatible with spool guns and push-pull guns for aluminium and long-reach applications, and pairs with a foot pedal for real-time TIG current control. And keep your XF195 protected between jobs with our brand new arc rocker machine covers. Power factor correction ensures stable performance even with fluctuating power supplies, making the XF195 SiC suitable for generators and inconsistent site power. The IP23S rating means it's tested for industrial and outdoor environments, and VRD in stick mode enhances operator safety by reducing open circuit voltage. This unit is packed with a whole heap of advanced features and fully backed with CIGWELD's 5-year warranty. The BlueVenom XF195 SiC proves that compact doesn't mean compromise. These complete multi-process packages are efficient, built for real-world welding, and powered by next-generation silicon carbide technology. Now available at your nearest CIGWELD ESAB distributor.